Hey guys, I'm Michael. I'm for TravelCostaRicaNow.com and I just got my braces on. Matter of fact, they're still warm. Oh, they feel so big in my mouth, man. It feels so weird. I know I must sound funny. I don't want to smile because I'm already self-conscious. It's taking me back to when I was 14 years old when I also got braces, so lucky me. But anyway, I'm actually in a great mood. I had a great experience. It made my head start spinning with ideas of how to turn this into a travel dental package because this place is fairly close to Fortuna. So I'll get to that in a minute. So here's how this all happened. I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago, this guy reached out to me and I actually made a video. It's about medical tourism here. You know how big it's exploding in Costa Rica with the dental implants and all this other stuff, stem cell therapy and back surgery and all that. Well, anyway, what he's done is he's vetted all the doctors, know who's best in your situation. So, in other words, he's done all the homework so you don't have to do it. Okay, that's it. So anyway, I was talking to him and I go, man, I got to find a dentist, man. I have got to find a dentist. My bottom grill is whacked, man. The last couple of years, I don't know, my jaw's crashed in on itself and my teeth are going 19 different directions, man. And it's embarrassing. So I got to do something. So he goes, Mike, I'll take you to this place. We can see what your options are. I'll take you, no problem. It's fairly close to Fortuna. And I'm like, yeah, I got to do something. So he kept kind of bugging me. Hey, when are we going to go? When are we going to go? So about 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, I said, man, let's go. So we went. And man, so this town is about 40 minutes from La Fortuna, and you would never expect, and it's a total Tico town. There's not tourists there. No tourists, Ticos. Not that, it's not the most beautiful town, but anyway, it's a Tico town. And this dental place, you wouldn't think would be there because this dental place has everything there. The laboratory, they do implants, they do crowns, they do braces, they do cleanings, dentists, the whole thing. You wouldn't even find actually an office. It'd be hard to find them even in San Jose where they have everything at the same place where you don't have to kind of go out, get your x-rays over there, come back here, you know, that kind of thing. Well, this place has everything, one place. So anyway, we go in, it's all modern and cool, and they're very nice to me. And you know, we all know about my Spanish, but again, this guy's with me, and so he knows them, and he speaks, you know, he speaks obviously perfect English and Spanish. So the dentist does speak English, so that's my first stop, the dentist. So they do everything, you know, the images and, you know, the 3D surround panoramic thing and, you know, shoving clay stuff up your mouth to take imprints or whatever. Now, I got to tell you, I thought my teeth were so bad, I just wanted them fixed. I was like, take them out, man, just take them out, put implants in there, stick crowns. I didn't really know the process, obviously. Don't know anything about this. So I'm like, just yank stuff out and put stuff back in so I look pretty. So I was thinking my options were like implants, maybe some like a retainer with the denture type thing. I didn't know. Well, here's what they told me. They said, Mike, your teeth are too good. There's no way we would do anything with teeth that good. The only option you have are braces. And at first I was like, man, are you fucking kidding me? Braces? But then I embraced it and I was like, okay, cool, let's do it. I said, let's do it as soon as possible. And as soon as possible was yesterday. So I went in there, man, they are so nice. Even though my Spanish isn't good and some of the girls don't really know English, you know, it was fun. We tried, you know, we're playing charades, having a good time, you know, so it was way cool and they're just so nice. I had a great experience that way. So anyway, I got the braces, obviously, and guess how much it was? Guess. I got a cleaning before I put the braces on yesterday, I got a cleaning and I got the braces. Tops and bottoms, everything. $376. I'm positive that's a good price. I was expecting to pay at least double that. At least double that. So I was freaking happy. You know, I mean, if this is going to take a couple years, so be it. But what I'm thinking is, since, you know, they're so nice, this guy, the dentist knows English, they got everything right there, man, and they're close to Fortuna, so you can get out of San Jose, come here, get all your procedures done, and you can still go in the hot springs at night, or still go on a zip line if it's all good. You know, so I mean, most of these places are all around San Jose. All right. But now you get off the plane, break over here to La Fortuna, and you can be in the area. You get to see Costa Rica. You get to mix everything, man, and it's a great option. I do want to tell you, please don't compare whatever price you may get to my price. Everybody is different, obviously. You know, so, well, Mike, you said 376. No, in my situation, it was 376. Maybe yours is 520. Maybe yours is 650. I don't know, but I guarantee it's going to be cheaper, and you're going to have a great experience, and you might be able to mix some definite teeth, getting your grill fixed with implants or crowns, and see La Fortuna or Costa Rica in general. So anyway, I just want to tell you about this experience. I am going to do a video about this where I go in actually and show you their laboratory and their stuff and kind of make it a more, I don't know, professional video for this, because I think it's a really great option. I know your implants are expensive as a motherfucker in the United States. So I know it's going to be at least a third of the price here, and it might be worth reaching out. So anyway, get a hold of me and I can point you in the right direction. They can even handhold you, so don't even worry about not knowing Spanish. I'm telling you, man, think about it. I'm Michael Allen, travelcostaricanow.com. Peace, guys. Hope it helps. Want to see that smile? Oh, God. You know, I spit about 3 times during this video. Oh, don't forget, all these little things are going to start popping up. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel or hit the notification bell so you can know when I put out a video, or whatever the other things you're supposed to do. Try to do that. Later.